Hello everyone, welcome to part 22 of Laravel LM series in which we are creating the e-commerce website in Laravel and MongoDB. So we are working on the Laravel CRUD operations for the CMS pages, and in this particular video we will work on the edit CMS page. Okay, so let's start. In the last video we able to work on the add CMS page functionality, and we able to add the new privacy policy page, and in this video we are going to work on the edit CMS page functionality, and we are going to edit it from here. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to modify the edit function, and I'm going to open the CMS controller here, in which we can find the edit function that we have updated in the last video. And now we are going to update this else part. We will add the CMS page, we will update the particular CMS page with ID. So here we will add the script like CMS page find $id, and along with that we will also add the message as CMS page updated successfully. Okay, so this one we are going to add here. Okay, we will find that particular CMS page, and we will get here inside CMS page variable, and with complete data as an array we will get, or as an object we can able to get the complete CMS page data in this particular variable. Okay, so and that variable we are going to return to there. Okay, to our that particular variable I'm going to return to our add edit CMS page blade file. Okay, so other than this there is nothing else we are required to update. So in the add edit CMS page we are going to show the complete CMS page data that we open. Like if I am going to open that particular ID like privacy policy that we have added in the last video, right now we are not showing any data, but now we are going to show. And also we are going to modify the action. Like this action we are going to use for the add only when there is no ID is coming. No ID is coming, then we will use this one. Otherwise for edit we will add the ID at the end of the URL. Okay, so that thing I will copy from here, and here you can see the function. See if condition here. Okay, this is the condition that we are going to add. If condition we are going to add for the action. Okay, here you can see, like if CMS page ID is empty, then we are going to use this action without ID, and if the ID is not empty, then we are going to use this action with ID, with that page ID. Okay, so and also title, URL and description. If the title is coming, then we are going to show title like this. If the URL is coming, then we are going to show URL. If the description is coming, then we are going to show the description. Okay, and also we will show the old data in case the user left something. Okay, if user left something, if the validation message is coming, then other data we are going to show. Okay, so these conditions we are going to add for all, like for title, now for URL, and finally for description. So this for description we will add inside the text area. We are going to add here, and here we will simply add enter description. Okay, so after adding this we can see that we able to see the current data. Yes, we able to see the current data now. Now I will make some changes, like anything I can able to add. Okay, just able to add, we'll see, we'll click on submit to see the changes. Yes, we able to see the change has come up. Privacy policy, we able to update the privacy policy, but there is no message is coming at the top. So for that we are required to display that success and error message. Okay, at the top. And here see, we can copy this one from the other module as well, or we can simply copy from here. Okay, this one success message I'm going to copy, and we'll paste it I think somewhere after call 12, or I will check its placement. Okay, I think in the earlier episode we can able to see that where we are required to place. And this one okay, so we can try placing it I think somewhere CMS page, add edit, add CMS page. After this we can place maybe after this or after or before this. Okay, so let's see. We can check that once again we are going to update edit cms page. We are going to remove the unwanted data and we'll click on submit. And yes, I think it's perfect. Okay, success, cms page updated successfully. And here we able to get this success message as well. Okay, so finally we able to edit any of the cms page. You can see the data will come up and we can able to update any of the cms page here. Okay, with the message is coming the cs page updated successfully. Okay, then we can remove it and we can update it as well. So like this. And if in case you will miss something, like if I will miss something, then it will show the error message. Okay, so we are required to add that particular, that all the things. Okay, so so in the next video we will work on the delete functionality, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.